Amazing facts about hyena are one of the most misunderstood and underappreciated species in the animal kingdom. They are adept hunters. One of the longest-standing false accusations against the spotted hyena is that they are purely scavengers, particularly that they steal most of their food from lions. In fact, studies have shown that hyenas kill 66 to 90% of what they eat, and when it comes to the actual hunt, they are extremely versatile and successful hunters. As cursorial hunters, hyenas run down their prey to exhaustion, cruising at speeds of 37 miles per hour, 60 kilometers per hour, for several miles. Spotted hyenas can bring down prey many times their size. For an animal the size of a large dog, they have been recorded to kill Cape buffalo and giraffes. As for the lions, who are the supposed providers for the inept hyena, in multiple studies it has been shown the lions are more likely to scavenge from hyena kills, owing to the hyena's higher success rate. They are great mothers when thinking of nature's great mothers. A gorilla nestling her young baby in her arms or a cat nursing her kittens may come to mind. Usually not a spotted hyena. However, hyenas surprisingly are one of the best mothers in the animal kingdom, investing more energy per cub than any other terrestrial carnivore. Spotted hyena mothers produce extremely fat and protein-rich milk, richer than any other terrestrial carnivore, and they produce a lot of it for a long period. Hyena cubs are completely dependent on milk for the first 6 months of their lives and will continue to nurse for up to another year. All of that is a lot of stress on a single mother, as hyenas do not cross-suckle, even between closely related females. They are amazingly intelligent, often cast as being foolish and dull, perhaps due to the misunderstanding of their laugh or giggle vocalization. Spotted hyenas show shocking signs of intelligence that rivals most wild animals in Africa. In fact, hyena intelligence is thought to mimic the evolution of our own intelligence, with success through complex social behaviors driving brain evolution. In experiments, spotted hyenas outperformed even chimpanzees when it came to collective or group problem solving, showing that in some ways hyena intelligence may even exceed some of the great apes in certain aspects. Anyone who has spent any time with spotted hyenas in the wild can attest to their curious and inquisitive behavior. Certainly anyone who's had their car or house broken into by one. I've even observed rudimentary tool use by hyena to achieve goals such as escaping from cage traps. They can count. Studies have shown that spotted hyenas can determine the number of other hyenas in a rival clan and decide their best course of action. Similarly, males looking to join a new clan will always join the clan with the least number of other males after doing a quick census. It may not be calculus, but spotted hyenas are able to count. They have powerful jaws, a bite that can kill and also crush bones. Spotted hyena jaws have evolved colossal masseter jaw muscles to be able to produce massive amounts of force in a specific section of their dentition. The molars and premolars, with the ability to exert over 1,100 psi or around 9,000 newtons, depending on the studies you read, spotted hyenas can crack open bones nearly 2.5 inches in diameter. Their jaw and skulls alone can take 7 to 10 years to fully develop, long after they've reached sexual maturity. The longest recorded living spotted hyena was in captivity and lived to 41 years and 1 month old. They have a history of conquering even in their current range. Spotted hyenas are arguably one of the most successful large carnivores, ranging across the majority of continental Africa in a diverse range of habitats. However, going back 10 to 20,000 years ago, the Eurasian spotted hyena, which likely was the same species if not a subspecies of the hyenas we see today, ranged from the British Isles to eastern Siberia. The spotted hyena dominated large portions of 3 continents and directly competed with humans for resources and caves. It's even thought that the presence of hyenas in Siberia prevented the spread of humans into the Americas across the Bering Strait. They are tremendously socially complex, living in social groups called clans that can contain as many as 130 individuals. Spotted hyenas are quite sociable. However, unlike a wolf pack or a lion pride, hyenas are rarely all together at once and instead are often found by themselves or in small groups, only meeting up from time to time. This is called a fusion-fission society. These clans are made up of largely related females who are the most dominant, their cubs who take on the rank directly below their mother, and non-natal males who have immigrated from other clans once reaching sexual maturity.